the penguins?
Me.
Who wants to have the zebra?
Me.
You want the zebra. Who wants to have the lion?
Me.
Awesome. Okay, guys, on these cards, we're gonna write down your biggest dream on water. And we're sending them all the way to Lebanon to create the biggest postcard in the world. Let's go. So it might be hard to believe for some people, but some children in the world only wish for water. No toys, no teddies, just water. What is your dream?
To drink water and to keep water clean. If there is no water, there is no life to swim in the water.
What did you write down?
My dream is to clean the water so people can.
Awesome. One more.
No, you have another wish.
One card is taking a little bit longer, guys, but it's not a normal wish, it's a super wish in water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 cards, but we need 1 million. Join the 1 million postcard initiative. Thank you. Join.